Good morning, children. Today's day is 6th of November and the year is 2020, and today's day is Friday. So in our theme, do you know the name of our theme? Yes? Our theme is space and planets. We are talking about space and planets. We're going to learn about them. Yes? So today we are going to specifically learn why is there day and night? Yes, you get this question often. Yes, do you think about it? रात क्यों होती है? फिर से सुबह क्यों होती है? Yes, why is there day and night? So let's know why does this happen. Now, day and night is a normal part of our life here on earth. Now, what is earth? Do you know what's earth? So, do you know about sun? You know what's the sun? It's a very bright, round shaped body. Yeah. So, that's the sun. Then we have the moon. The moon is usually round, but then it shrinks in size. Yes, and then again it grows and becomes full circle. So that's the moon for you. Yes, now that's another reason you will have a question, why does the moon reduce size? We can have that some other time. But the sun is always bright and round. Yes, and then we have different planets on space. Yes, we have innumerable stars and planets that are there in space. One of the planets is Earth, and in which we live on. Yes, so if somebody asks you what's the planet that you live on, so what will you say? Do you live on the sun or on the moon? No, you don't live on the sun or the moon. You live on planet Earth. Yes, so you live on a planet called Earth. So that's just one of the planet, and there are different planets in space. Okay. So what happens on Earth? There is day and night. Yes, it's a daily occurrence that takes place. We have day and night. But why does this happen? Why don't we have only day or only night? Why do we have day and night? Yes, we'll see how this happens. When we see the sun in the sky, we know that it is day. Yes, when we see the sun in the sky, when you know that it's morning, it's daytime, yeah? And when it gets dark, when you don't see the sun any longer, but when you see the stars and moon, when they appear in the sky, you know that it's night time. Yes? Now, why does this happen? Sometimes you feel that the sun is moving. Sun हमको लगता है धीरे धीरे धीरे. When we see the sun rise or when we see the sun set, we feel that the sun is moving. It is coming up when it is rising, or when it's going down when it is setting. But what is happening? The sun does not move. The sun stays at one place. But who moves? The Earth planet moves. But now you will say that we don't feel that it's moving. आपको लगता है आप Earth पे बैठे हो and the Earth is moving? No, because it moves so gradually and so slowly that you don't feel it. Yeah, इतना slowly और gradually move होता है कि आपको feel ही नहीं होता है कि वो move हो रहा है. But the Earth moves. Yeah, Earth moves. Earth does two things. It moves on an orbit. This is called an orbit. You see a circle? उसका orbit मतलब ये उसका रास्ता है घूमने का. Its way of moving. So what happens is the Earth always moves on its axis. It moves around the sun. ठीक है? वो क्या करता है? The Earth does two things. The Earth moves, move भी करता है, धीरे धीरे आगे भी बढ़ता रहता है, and it also spins. वैसे घूमता भी है. ऐसे घूमता भी है और मूव भी होता है. घूमता भी है और मूव भी होता है. Yes, so it does two things. It spins and it moves. Yes, so when somebody asks you what does the earth move or the sun move? The first question. So the sun does not move. The sun just stays at one place. So who moves? The earth planet moves. And it moves so slowly that you don't even feel it. And it moves and it spins. You spin a ball, right? Aise ghoomta hai ball. You spin a ball at one place, that's called spinning. And moving means going forward, going ahead. अपनी जगह से हिलने को moving कहते हैं. It moves and it spins at the same time. So these two things take place at the same time. Yes, so here we have the earth is spinning. Can you see? So it's just one earth, it's just showing you different pictures. So this is the sun and this is the earth. Okay, so the earth is spinning and it is moving. अब move कर करके यहाँ आ गया. तो आप देख रहे हो इस साइड लाइट पड़ रही है सन की. Yeah, the sun is shedding light on this part of the earth, so that is day. And this part of the earth, the light is not reaching. It's the shape of a sphere. The light does not reach the other side. That is why it becomes night. But this earth will keep spinning and moving. So what happens when it comes here? अब ये वाला side इस तरफ आ गया, है ना? Now this side will have day because again the sunlight is, it's reaching here, so it will be day this side, and this side will become night. इस तरफ light ही नहीं पहुंच रही है. Then this side becomes dark, so that's night. So why does day and night happen? Now you know it. Because the earth moves and earth spins around the sun. So whichever side gets this light of the sun, that side will be having daytime. And the side of the earth where the sunlight does not reach, that side will remain dark. So that side will be having nighttime. But it will not remain like that forever. Why? Because the earth keeps spinning. Spin होता है तो ये साइड ऐसे भी आएगी, इस तरफ मूव हो जाएगी, है ना? I'm going to show you this by a nice example now, okay? So we can maybe, it will be better. You can see a better example. You see, the earth, this is the earth and this is the sun. So earth is moving and it is spinning, and the side of the earth, yes, where it is getting light is daytime, and the other part of the earth that you can see here, the light is not reaching here, so what is happening is it is night time. It is day for those in front of the sun because they get its light. Yes, so this part of the earth is getting light, so it's daytime over here, and it is night time for those away from it because they don't get any light. Yes, so this part of the earth is not getting light, so it remains dark and it is night time over there. But in some time it will move. So this side will come here and this side will go behind. So this side will have daytime and this side will have night time. Let's learn about this concept of day and night with the help of this example. Now you have to imagine, okay? So here, this ball, which is in shape of a sphere, is our planet, Earth. Okay, so this is the planet that we stay on. So this is the Earth planet. So our planet is also in the shape of a sphere, just like a ball. Okay, and just imagine that this is the sun, the bright sun. Okay, the sun is very bright, shedding light. So this is the sun. The sun does not move. The sun stays at one place. But what will happen? Our planet Earth, it moves and it spins. What are the two things that the Earth does? It moves and it spins. So it is moving and spinning. Moving and spinning. You see, the light, the direction of light is also changing. Yes, now the light is on this side. But what happens when it spins? Now the light is over here. But is the sun moving? No, the sun does not move. Just the planet Earth is moving. So now let's see. Now when the earth is like this, yes, okay, I keep it more closer. So what is happening? The sun is shedding light, and which part of the earth is getting light? Only this part, right? And what is happening to the part behind? Here, it is not getting any light. Is it getting light? No, it is not getting sunlight. So this part will remain dark. It will have night time. And this part, because it is receiving the light, sunlight, here will be daytime. But what will happen after some time? The earth will spin and move. So what will happen? Now this side of the earth will have daytime, yes, because the sunlight is reaching here, and the other part which has moved away from the sunlight will have night time. It will become dark over there. So this is the way we have day and night every day, because the earth is moving. So when we have light on that part of the earth, that side of the earth, it is daytime, and on the other side it is night time. Yes, you can also do this fun at home with the help of a ball and torch. So you can keep moving and keep spinning. So you'll see how it is changing. Yeah, so the part that receives the light has daytime, the part that does not receive the light has night time.